In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your free website. So to do that, you want to go to weebly.com. That is weebly.com. And at this point, you should have already set up your account with Weebly. So you just want to go here and log in with your username and password, and it'll take just a moment to log you in. Now inside here you should see a website that you set up when you established your account, and in my case I'm promoting a digital product. So for this example I'm going to actually first set up the digital product through ClickBank that we happen to be promoting. So I'm going to go here and click on edit. So right by the website, just going to click on edit, and it's going to slowly open up. And what you see here is just a very basic, design. There's several different designs that you can actually choose from. If you just go here to the design element up here, you can actually pick a different layout if you want to go that direction. So you can scroll through here till you find one that you like. If you want to go like with a more basic one, you can find that here. So here we go. We got a real basic one here. So we want to go with, the How to Break 80 Golf Training Program, which is perfect because that's the keyword we're going for. So we do want to stick with that. You can go with text or logo. And the best thing to do for search engine reasons would be to go with like a text here. So you can kind of get that picked up. And the way Weebly works, it's point and click simple. So the next thing after you've picked your design is go over to Elements. And you want to come over here to where it says click here to edit, and this is where you're going to put your first article in. So you want to take one of the articles you have written. So I've got the notepad file up, and I'm going to grab this website article number 1. So I'm just going to take the title of the article, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in here. So How to Break 80 Golf Training by Jack Morehouse, Honest Review. And then we're going to go over here to the article subject, and I'm going to scroll on down till the end of the article here, and we're just going to right click and put copy, and then we're going to paste it in there. And you can see here from the text file, it kind of pasted kind of funny, so we're just going to hit Control Z to undo that. Okay, so now we're back to blank. So if things aren't formatting correctly when you copy and paste them, just go back to your notepad file, click on Format, and then take the word wrap off, and then things should go a lot smoother after that. So now we're just going to highlight, take the word wrap off, go to the end of this article, and notice between the articles I like to put dashed lines inside the notepad just so you know there's which article's which, and then we're just going to paste in that content there that we have written. So there you go. It's going to come in there as a nice long article there, a nice long paragraph. So if you're tired of hooking, slicing, not hitting the ball straight, then How to Break 80 and Shoot Like the Pros is definitely for you. So this is basically my entire review. And what we're going to do here is go back to the notepad here, and we want to pull in our ClickBank affiliate link, which we saved from one of the previous steps. And so all we've done here, we've have our content written. We're just going in, just real simple here, to edit, and then we're going to put in the content here. So I just want to highlight that link, the affiliate link, and we're going to come right over here, and where it says How to Break 80 and Shoot Like the Pros, we're going to highlight that and click on this little link icon, create a link, and we want to link to a website URL. And we're going to go to Open in Link in New Window. We're just going to click on Save. And then you can choose, if you want to, after you highlight that, to make that font bold as well so that link stands out a little bit. And then you can come on down here and right where it says click here for the How to Break 80 training program now, that would be a good chance to highlight also. I do recommend that you don't get, especially dealing with free web hosts and sites kind of like Weebly and such, I do recommend that you do not go overly crazy. So no more than 2 or 3 2 or 3 affiliate links inside your articles, and that's just very important. So you just want to highlight the text you want to link up, and you want to go to the link chain right here, and then where it says website URL, make sure that's checked. So website URL, you're going to hit paste on that link, open link in new window, and hit save. So again, you don't want to go overly crazy on these links. That's important. So once you have that in there, you're just going to click your mouse right above, and it should have saved this content right here. So you've got a nice, clean looking article here that shows up. And the next thing that you want to do is we want to come in here, we want to create a new page here. So we're going to come over here to pages, and we're going to create another page. So we're going to go here where it says add page, and we're going to create a new page for our other article. So this page is going to be called whatever the second article is. So this one will be what do I get, or how to break 80 training. So you could do more about that. How to break 80, or you could just do review if you wanted to. And then you can choose if you want to hide the page in the navigation menu or not, and we'll keep it there. You could also link that navigation link to an external site, and then we're going to click on Save Settings right after that. For advanced, this is very important, advanced settings, when you're setting up your new page. This is a great chance to put in page title. This is great for search engine optimization. So you'd put in like your keyword, so how to break 80 golf training product. And again, if you stumble as far as what keywords to use, you can just quickly pull up the Google AdWords keyword tool like I'm doing here. We're just going to go to AdWords keyword tool and just come right on in here and then select the keywords. You could type in the product name and see what kind of combinations people are looking for. But right back here on Weebly, just put in your title name, page description. So learn what you get. Golf training program. So notice I incorporated the keyword there, how to break 80 golf training program, into my page description. Made a keyword. This is not as important for SEO, but it does help a little bit. So you may as well do it. And that's just basically the keyword you want to rank for: golf training aid, golf training program, golf training ebook. Okay? And then the footer code and the header code, you can just ignore that for now. That would be like if you had Google Analytics, but we're not going to do that right now. So now we're going to click on Save Settings for that new page. And you're going to see here there's a new page there that you can actually work for. So we're going to go back here to How to Break 80 Review. It's going to say right away this page is empty, drag elements here. So what we want to do here is go right over here, paragraph with title. And we're just going to put that in there, paragraph with title, just like we did before. And so for this example, we want to copy and paste the second article about this particular product. So we're just going to copy here. And then the next thing that we want to do is come right on back here and finish copying and pasting the entire article. So you'll see there how everything displays. And we can come back here, and if you want, you can link up, use your affiliate link again to link things up. So let's go back here, grab our affiliate link again. I'm just highlighting it. I'm going to hit Control C to copy. And where it says how to break 80, I'm going to just go to the, highlight it, click on the link, hit save. And again, you don't want to go overkill on the links just because you don't want it to tip off these websites that you are just trying to be an affiliate, you do want to try to remain as casual as possible. So hyperlink that and then put that in there and save it. And so now you've got 2 pages of content there that kind of relate to each other. So to save it, again, just click outside of the box here. And this is basically, just the very bare minimum, the basic setup. Now, there is this image up here that has nothing to do with golf. So you want to go up here to edit image, and there are a lot of images there. And you could add text there. You could rotate that image, but we're just going to add text up here. And we're going to choose kind of like, let's say, a shadow. And that's it. OK. And if you want, you could put text up here in the image if you wanted to add it. But again, this image has nothing to do with golf. So we're going to click here on add an image, and you can actually find one on your computer or somewhere else. And so in the next video, I'll show you how to actually make your site look a little bit, for lack of a better word, make it look a little more professional so it kind of sticks out. But again, for now, this is kind of the bare minimum you want to have, at least a couple pages. And in the next video, we'll set up a blog and we'll actually post our content-rich article. And then after we set up the blog, I'll show you how to add images to your post and then how to change the header image to make your site look a little better. And then as we go along here, we're also going to go ahead and set up our opt-in form so that people can actually get the free report that you want them to sign up for. So this again is the bare minimum. You want to get your site set up with Weebly. It's very easy. Just go to weebly.com, play around with the design interface, choose your design, then go to elements and choose paragraph with title, and then you're simply copying and pasting your content over, adding your affiliate links, and you're good to go. So after we've done that, after we've done these changes here, I'm going to hit publish. And then we're going to use the subdomain still and click on continue. And now it's going to say the website has been published. So we're just going to click on that and it should actually open right up. And you'll see here our website is now live and on the internet. And if you go here, these links should hop on over to ClickBank. And they do, which is exactly what you want because that's what we're promoting. So now that it's done this, we can go ahead and go on to the next video, which is where we'll go about changing this image, adding images to your actual product reviews here, and then we'll just continue on with this process.